Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Unlock your Samsung S7 Edge and plug a good USB cable into the laptop. Once connected, you'll see a notification on the phone. Swipe down and tap the USB notification to choose File Transfer or MTP. You do this because MTP exposes media and file folders to Windows or Mac OS. Make sure the laptop is awake and you've accepted any permission prompts on the phone. This grants the access necessary to proceed with browsing and transferring files. Once the phone is in MTP mode, you may need drivers. On Windows, install Samsung USB drivers or Smart Switch so the laptop recognizes the device. If you're on Mac OS, use Android File Transfer. Open it after connecting. You should then see the phone appear as a device in File Explorer or Finder. If it doesn't, make sure USB debugging is off unless needed, switch cables or ports, and re-permit file access on the phone so the OS can read storage and initiate transfers. You're now ready to move files. Open the phone's internal storage or SD card on the laptop and drag files or folders where you want them. Once transfers finish, use the system's eject or safely remove hardware option to prevent data corruption before unplugging. If transfers fail, make sure you selected file transfer, try a different cable or USB port, reboot both devices, and as a last resort, enable USB debugging in developer options to get a more stable connection for advanced tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.